are going to have a lot of fun by learning how to make your own game in Scratch. Yes, you can make your small projects in the starting and then you can just move to the advanced. Okay, have you ever played video games and watched cartoons? Yes. So what if I will tell you you can create your own stories in Scratch? So what is Scratch? Scratch is just like a magic puzzle where you can put your colorful blocks together to make your character move, talk, walk, and dance. So let's start. So today we are going to create Google Translator in Scratch. So let's start. First of all, you can see this cat here, and this cat is known as Sprite. Not this cat only, all these characters you can see in Scratch are known as sprites. As you can see, choose a sprite. Also, all are categorized. You can choose according to the category and you also can search it. From here, you can choose the backdrop. And from here, you can run your program, and from here, you can stop your program. This is the blank space where you can put, drag and drop your blocks to make any project. And here you can see the code. In code, you can see multiple colorful circles, which we will use to make projects. Okay. From here, you can change the sprite costumes. And from here, you can choose the sound. So I don't want this cat for my project as we are going to make Google Translator. So we can delete it from here. If you have to create your own sprite, you can just click on this paint and you can paint your sprite. If you want to upload your sprite from your device, so just click on upload sprite and choose any sprite which you want to choose. So I have already downloaded a picture of Google. You also can do one thing, you also can click on paint and you can just choose the text and you can type here tree. Then you can make it big. One by one, you can also make O. Okay, this is also a way, like if you don't want to upload and if you don't know how to download a picture, so you also can do it like this. So I have already downloaded the picture and this time I want to tell you like how to put and how to upload a picture from the device. So that's why I'm taking this picture. Okay, as you can see, this picture is not adjusted properly. So first of all, just convert it to vector, choose the select and put it in the center. Okay, fine. Now come back to the code and you have to start coding it. If you want to rename this sprite, you can also rename it, like you can make it Google. If you want to make it size smaller, you want to change its direction, you want to change its location, you want to make it hide and show, you can also do it from here. To start any project, just go in events and choose any of them. You can see there are 3 options: when green flag clicked, when space key pressed, and also you can choose when the sprite click. If you will click on the sprite, your project will start. But for now, I'm choosing when green flag clicked. Next, what we have to do, I want to take the input from the user. Like as we are making Google Translator, so I want like user will give me the input. User will give the input to the Google Translator and Google Translator will translate that phrase or sentence. So for that, we have to go in sensing and choose ask block from here. And you have to type enter any phrase here. Okay, this is ask block and this will be visible there, and also it will create an input box to you. There you can write. Next, you can just go in control and choose repeat 10. This is we are choosing just for we want to make it looking good and it will do something. So that's why I'm choosing it 2 times. Then go in looks block. In looks block, you can see all the say, things, switch, next, or something. Means all the related blocks are related with the sprite. Like you want to make sprite size smaller, you want to change its color. So I'm choosing change color effect in both. And let's change the color to second option. But this one is 25, but I want to make it this negative, so I'm just changing it to minus 25. I hope the code is visible to you. Okay, fine. Now you can see it is giving you the input box also. You can type something here. Okay, and also it is saying enter any phrase here. Whatever you have written inside it, it is showing you here. Okay, then you have to choose an extension here, that is translate extension. Okay, but where you have to put it. So for that, you just go in looks block and choose say hello for 2 seconds and put this block inside the hello. Okay, and one thing you can do, like in hello, because you don't want to change the hello from here. Like if I will click here, so it will not change, it will not translate the hello. So you just go in sensing and choose answer from here, because whatever you will put in input box, that will be your answer. Okay, you can just put it here and then that will convert into in which language you want to convert it. So you can choose any language from here. I'm just changing it in French. Okay, you can see the output. Let's type something. You can type like this is a demo class. Okay, let's convert it. So you can see this effect here. This is just because of change effect, but you can see it just remain here for 2 seconds. Okay, again I'm typing something. Hi, how are you? You can see the answer here, right? But if you want to change its time, you can make it 5 seconds also, so it will stay there for 5 seconds, like hello, good morning. So now you can see it is just waiting for 5 seconds and then it will disappear from the screen. But you can see like every time while I'm just starting a new just clicking on the go, then I will be able to write any other sentence. But I want to make it like it will just, if I will type something again, it will give me the input box to type something else. So for that, just go in control block and choose repeat again and put it in the all, and how many times you want to show it on your screen. So I just want to make it 5 times so you can see. Now if I will write something here, Scratch is used to create games. Okay, this shows me answer, and after that, like it will after that it is showing me the input box also. Like I also can type something else. After 5 seconds it is showing me the answer. Okay, just make it 3 seconds and then see. I am making Google Translator. Okay, let's wait for 3 seconds and then it will show me input box again to type something there. So this is the small project in Scratch, like how to make a Google Translator. If there is any doubt, any question, you can ask me. Bye bye, take care.